Hi everyone, welcome to R Data Analysis Projects by Gopi Subramanian, a video course by Pack Publishing. I'm Doug Stevens, and I'll be the voiceover artist for this course. Gopi Subramanian is a scientist and author with over 18 years of experience in the fields of data mining and machine learning. During the past decade, he has worked extensively in data mining and machine learning, solving a variety of business problems. He has 16 patent applications with the U.S. and Indian patent offices, and several publications to his credit. He is the author of Python Data Science Cookbook by Pack Publishing. Let's take a look at what we've got in store. Section 1. Association Rule Mining builds recommender systems with transaction data. We will see retailer use case and data. After that, we will brush up with the association mining rule concept. We identify cross-sell and upsell opportunities. We will go through negative association rules. Finally, we will see rules visualization. Section 2, Fuzzy Logic Induced Content-Based Recommendation, addresses the cold start problem in the recommender system. We handle the ranking problem with multi-similarity metrics using a fuzzy sets approach. We will design the content-based recommendation engine. Section 3, Collaborative Filtering, introduces different approaches to collaborative filtering for recommender systems. We will also recommender lab package. Finally, we will design and implement collaborative filtering. Section 4, Twitter text sentiment classification using kernel density estimates, shows ability to process Twitter data in R. We introduce Delta TF-IDF, a new metric for sentiment classification. We leverage the kernel density estimate-based naive Bayes algorithm to classify sentiments. Section 5, Record Linkage, Stochastic and Machine Learning Approaches, covers the problem of master data management and how to solve it in R using the record linkage package. We will also build an R-Shiny application for record linkage. Section 6, Streaming Data Clustering Analysis in R, introduces a package stream for handling streaming data in R and the clustering of streaming data, as well as the online or offline clustering model. Section 7, Analyzing and Understanding Networks Using R, covers the iGraph package for performing graph analysis in R. We solve product network analysis problems with graph algorithms. We will also see R-Shiny application for networks. Section 8, Taming Time Series Data Using Deep Neural Networks, introduces MXNet-R, a package for deep learning in R. We leverage MXNet to build a deep connected network to predict stock closing prices. We will implement the symbolic programming in MXNet. These would be the prerequisites of the course. Take a good look. This course takes you through a number of practical solutions covering a wide range of topics you need to know about R data analysis. So, what are we waiting for? Let's begin this journey.